my channel of rediscovering the Pichwai art. Today, let's explore the element of Pichwai, that is start with the sitting cow. For that, again, we will start with a simple rectangle shape. Can you see the vertical line is almost half of the horizontal line? Now the basic point here is to fit the entire cow body inside this box. In the lower side, I will divide it into 3 equal parts. For the legs, see, I am basically drawing an S shape, inverted S shape for the leg thing. Then comes the tummy part. On this last area, again, I'm giving a curve and a folded leg. Can you see that curves? Just follow that, you will understand how to shape the legs. Face, I have made this big oval and I'm adding one small circle next to it, which is intersecting it. And see how I am drawing the head, then the nose area, then the hump, and the back portion, which is going like a wave and joining it to the entire body. Let me raise and show it to you. So this is how it looks. For the tummy part, I'm going to make a big curve that is going to join the neck portion. Like that. So, can you see the entire body got fit inside that box? Did you know the sitting cow signifies calmness, devotion, and motherly presence wherever we place it in our homes or anywhere? Now working with details, I'll just make the nose and the eyes. As the eyes are the most expressive form, we need to be extra careful. Now the horns, jewelry, ears in the shape of leaf. All the lines are curvier and pointed to give it more aesthetic look, and that too in perspective of Pichwai folk art. I'm adding the tail here, which will go towards the leg. Now almost the body is complete. We will add some jewelries and fine details like the neck jewelry. As you see, in Indian folk art, generally the animals also wear beautiful jewelries, which denoted their respect, their care as family members, and to give them the royal touch as well. Finally, adding the silk fabric in the cow body to give it a more royal and belonging look. Now clearing out extra rough lines to give it a more cleaner and detailed look. The sitting cow is most commonly used feature in the Pichwai art form. For all Pichwai lovers and our subscribers, we are soon going to launch an exclusive Pichwai workshop beginner level for you all. If you want more details onto that, you can drop us your email ID or just fill up the Google form that is shared in the description of this video. I love to add bells in my Pichwai artwork, and wherever there is a scope, I always add one. So here I am again adding bells in my jewelries. You can put any other motif or designs, whatever you please. So the final tutorial of a sitting cow is complete, which we can use in majority of our Pichwai artwork. This is the most basic one. We can add various details, motifs to design this cow however we want. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Keep creating, keep sharing your work, and follow us for more updates.